at Montevideo Airport. Walking towards the luggage claim at Montevideo Airport. That's Montevideo Airport.
Hi Rakesh.
Ariel. Ashmira. Leaving the Montevideo Airport.
This is America's Avenue. This is Wilson Ferreira El Dunate.
Oh, like left and right.
Left and right. Was
The Venice
stone.
Las America.
There's no more.
No more statue.
No more.
Oh, I see.
United States, George Washington was there.
Oh. The Venice of
Panama.
America. Panama. Yes.
Torrijos.
Yes.
An apartment here can cost about $500,000.
Going through a rich neighborhood in Montevideo, Uruguay. Just checking out one of the neighborhoods.
Rambla.
The Rambla. Okay.
So ocean or river?
It's when the river
Meets the ocean.
finish and enters into the ocean. It's a very old hotel,
Oh, hotel.
hotel and casino.
Oh, okay.
Now it's a Sofitel from the chain of Sofitel.
Sofitel, yes.
Tennis courts.
Okay.
Is that the education is free.
Oh.
Free.
And health insurance also free, right?
Yes. Yes. It's nice to travel. You make me remember that.
Yes.
This is the place where I came with my mom and my grandma when I was a kid
Oh.
to have bath in the summer. This place.
Montevideo? You were born here, Nasi?
Yeah, see. Some
Yeah.
others are walking.
Good.
Neighborhood.
Okay.
School is free
School free,
and the university is also free.
Even medical also?
Also medical.
French school.
Liberté, égalité. This neighborhood is called Punta Carretas.
Punta Carretas.
Here at right, it starts the golf, Montevideo Golf Club.
Okay. That's
All this,
yeah, Montevideo
this
Golf
it's
Club.
very big.
Golf club.
No, it's happening.
So the building is staged.
Don't know. It's next weekend.
Oh, okay.
Mercosur House.
Okay. Plaza Independencia.
This is called Playa Ramirez.
Plaza Ramirez. That's American Embassy. So we just came off of the Ocean Drive
Bache en el camino más adelante.
and we came inside. Cambio.
3 or 4 streets. No,
Yeah.
you will see a very big building. It's the Montevideo city, the government
Okay, government building.
Montevideo.
So there's a building. We have our Airbnb by our wonderful host Ariel. This is
Cámara de semáforo
18th of
reportada
July
más
Avenue. That is
adelante.
Independence Day. So the name of the street is 18th of July. This is the Plaza Independencia.
No, still
No.
not.
We're going through the old town of
We have
Montevideo.
there-
What is that? Municipal? That big building?
That building it's an Independence Square.
There's the statue of Artiga, freedom fighter. This is the Independence Square. Oh, that's the president's house. Yeah, Uruguay Presidencia, yes. Solis. ¿Qué significa Solis?
Solís was a Spanish conqueror.
Oh, okay.
It's very
Teatro
nice theater.
Solís.
Old, very old. My last
Old city of Montevideo. Oh, okay.
It's a very nice place for you to walk. Zavala,
Plaza Salvo.
by that other conqueror Spanish, Bruno Mauricio de Zavala.
Yeah, that's the Republic Bank building.
These very old buildings.
Yes. That's the port of Montevideo.
This is a new part of the
Public hospital.
Buenos Aires by
okay.
bus.
So that's the port authority. Puerto de Montevideo. We just reached Edificio Buenos Aires. That's our Airbnb in Montevideo near Teatro Solis. And that's Plataderia. Just starting our Airbnb with Ariel. Amazing host. And that's a view of Montevideo.
In the bathroom you have a for hair to dry the dryer.
Hair dryer, okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Buenos Aires Street of Montevideo.
Sleepy. I was so sleepy in the morning. Oh, yes.
So this is Piotenal Sarandi in Montevideo. That is Rio Plata. On the other side is Buenos Aires, right?
Río de la Plata. Sí.
It's pedestrian street basically in Montevideo. Cathedral, Martis Cathedral. We are at the Madrid Square.
Our cathedral, the most important cathedral that we have.
Cathedral in Uruguay. The cathedral in the church at Montevideo.
I'm sick and tired of hearing things.
City gate of Montevideo. Teatro Solis, residence house.
Now you can take a trip inside
Plaza Independencia.
and visit the rooftop and everything. You can go inside some places, but you have to program
There's a Rio Plata,
reserve after you go.
and this is the
Now.
city gate.
Yeah, because you don't have a time. Exactly. Because you're going there.
Yes.
Independence Square, Plaza Independencia. That's a statue of Artia behind me. And that's a presidential house, you can see right behind me. And that's the city gate. gas station right on the road in Montevideo. The food court in the mall at the Montevideo. Elene and
I think that yes.
Natalia Netti. This is Obelisco
one-
in Montevideo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Boulevard Artiga.
la croce, la cruz
Oh, here. Okay.
there in this place.
There's Italian hospital. This is where the Pope did
This
the mass.
is the terminal.
Oh, Tres Cruces terminal. Okay. That's our bus terminal. So that's the Buque bus terminal. We are going to Colonia del Sacramento. That's a line.
This
It's a bus terminal. We go to Colonia towards bus ride. So it's 7:05. We live in Montevideo to go to Colonia. Bye bye Montevideo. Early morning in Montevideo. Sun is rising to the east. We'll be going west towards Colonia. Just getting out of Montevideo. Outskirts of Montevideo. This is Route 1. We are on the Route 1 of Uruguay towards Colonia. The bus. Villages along the way to Colonia. Ciudad del Plata. Ciudad El Paso. Flat plains of Uruguay. Uruguay doesn't have any big mountains. It's all flat land. Rotorno. Rafael Peraza. Entering the town of Colonia. Centro Puerto Colonia. We're at the ferry terminal. Buque bus. I'm in the Montevideo ferry terminal. So we have to do immigration here for Buenos Aires.